In this video, I'm going to show you how to set Google Flights price alerts. Now to do this, first you want to go to Google Flights, and then from here you want to select where you want to go from. In my case, I put Los Angeles in here, so LAX, and then where to. I'm going to type in, for example, London. Okay, there we go. I'm going to select this one over here, and there we go. The first part is done. Then you want to select if it's a round, one-way, or multi-city trip, and you want to select how many people are going, and then what type of flight you want. So we have economy, premium economy, business, and first. I'm gonna leave at economy right now, and then you have to set your departure and return times as well. So I'm gonna do, for example, July 10 to July 15, like this. There we go. And you want to click on done. Then you want to go and hit the search button, and it's going to give you all the options you have over here. So as you can see, these are now the options. And of course, if you want to set price alerts, what you want to do is the following. Here it says track prices, and you can also click on this button to actually see. And what you want to do here is just toggle this switch over here, and if you enable it, you'll see that over here it's going to say you'll get emails when prices change for this specific date. I'm going to click on view over here, and there we go. It's going to take me to my tracked prices, and to actually make sure you've set your alerts, make sure the email notifications are enabled up top over here. Okay, so that's really all you have to do to set Google Flights price alerts. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.